Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. So we're currently out here with the beautiful 2024 Dark Horse, which this paint is shining like crazy right now. However, she has been getting neglected. You have to kind of look at it in different angles to actually see how dirty it is. I actually like how this paint, you can't really tell how dirty it is unless like you pretty much come up to it. And then you can start seeing all those details right there. Actually, go ahead and be cleaning with some of those TikTok products that you guys have been seeing. So if you're not yet following me on TikTok, definitely go ahead and follow that. But we're gonna go ahead and be using the brake bomber as well as that black line drying towel over there. But this is probably a terrible decision. But today we're actually going to go ahead and be cleaning this up right now. And then we're actually go ahead and pick up the camera again when we're actually out in Mexico. So we have a different set of wheels coming shortly. So we have been able to enjoy the drift brake a little bit. It's pretty much swung this around. Now we're gonna go ahead and test out the line lock and pretty much move on to getting some different set of wheels coming up soon. Like I said, because these are actually TikTok shop products, definitely go ahead and go on TikTok to actually pick any of these things up if you would like to. But we're gonna go ahead and test out the drying factor as well as obviously the brake cleaner here. And for this part, if you want to watch the continuous so that way you guys don't see any cutting, that's gonna go ahead again be on TikTok. We're gonna go ahead and just spray this thing up real quick. Got a chopper over here coming in real low, but we're gonna go ahead and get this thing right here. But we're pretty much gonna go ahead and get started. So now that's on there, we're just gonna go ahead and leave it on there. And again, the continuous recording is happening right here. That is insane. So coming up in close, you can actually see the color of the wheels again. And I'll be honest, I wasn't a big fan of TikTok shop, but the best thing about it is the fact that TikTok is just throwing a bunch of coupons and stuff. And honestly, a lot of the stuff is a lot cheaper just to get on there. All right, so first things first, turning off advanced traction control completely off. We're gonna go ahead and track apps here. Go ahead to line lock. Line lock is enabled. Now we can start the process to actually pretty much engage it. This is definitely a little bit different from the 10 or 80 for the 18 that I have, but we're still gonna go ahead and figure this out right now. So hit line lock again because I already waited too long. Holding down the OK button. All right. And it gives you that beautiful countdown. And it's a little smoky in here. Did not anticipate that. So the beauty about line lock is it pretty much stops right there where you pretty much do it at. So you go ahead and see, I pretty much roasted the tires here. This road is actually trash, and I'm pretty sure it's designed to destroy your tires whenever you're doing burnouts out here. However, I gotta say, man, that was very easy once you actually figure out the steps. But at the same time, oh my goodness, you can see the different coloration. That is crazy. It's definitely a lot different from the 10 or 80, but it's also a lot different from the Shelby GT500. I think this thing's missing boost, I'm gonna be honest. That whine or that swoosh definitely makes it a lot funner when you're doing line lock. But dude, this thing is crazy. So from the inside, we have launch control on here. We'll go ahead and test out the launch control just because we're right here. I'm not gonna get any outside view because obviously I'm not gonna leave my homie here. But let's go ahead and turn this hazards off. So the nice thing about launch control, it pretty much tells you right there. It has like the little spaceship that pretty much says it's ready. So you can just literally hold it like that. This is most definitely a very fun car. All right, so real quick, we're gonna go ahead and just do a burnout without line lock, just so we can see a little bit of the difference and ultimately just have some more fun. Again, I'm taking these tires off anyways, so might as well just have as much fun as we want before I pretty much end up selling them, or they just go in storage. So for sure, I need to take launch control off, so I can keep it revving high. That is honestly so much fun. Cooper's here. So pretty much picking up the camera literally next day. We're back at Unleashed Motorsports. So those are a relatively quick and easy fix. So overall, within pretty much 12 hours, the car is back ready to go. I'm actually here to pick it up. So again, huge shout out to Unleashed Motorsports and all the guys here that always are here to help us out. Definitely stay tuned for all the future projects that we have coming. And we got the boys beautiful bagged, newly bagged, I should say, just parked right there. So just doing some test fitting right now. Sheesh. But the color, man, every single time this thing hits the sun, it is insane. Damn, that's like...